Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the environment and your body. Lock the wheelchair brakes and set footrests out of the way so they won't catch. Once done, position the transfer board with one end beneath your thigh and the other on the target seat about 1-2 inches inset. You sit at the front edge, feet flat, knees at about 90 degrees. This creates leverage. Make sure your weight is forward, hands placed on the board or armrests. Breath steady. This starting posture reduces strain and prevents slipping. Now you execute the slide. Lean slightly forward to shift weight, then push down through your hands to lift your buttocks just enough to clear. Once done, use short, controlled lateral movements to slide across the board. 1 to 2 motions work best. Make sure your knees stay together to guide the hips and avoid rotation. If you lose range, stop and reposition the board. Make sure it's flush against both seats. Take a breath between pushes. Controlled momentum protects shoulders and skin. Finish by sliding all the way onto the target seat and then shifting your weight inward so you're stable. Once settled, remove the board by pulling it back toward the wheelchair. Keep one hand on the seat during removal to maintain balance. Reposition feet and armrests and only then release the brakes. If things go wrong, if you feel unstable or the board slips, stop. Slide back slightly, reset the board, and try again at a slower pace. Ask for a one-person assist if necessary. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.